Thank you. So in thinking about that, we're going to go to the other three panelists and actually talk about where you are at your company on this maturity model, and then we have some questions about that really on how you move forward. So Andy, why don't we start with you and Monsanto and your perspective?
Yeah, thank you. So when we sit down and think about where we're at, where we're going, and what we're really trying to do, if we think about data as a product, we've been through many of these elements across functions and as the enterprise as a whole. I would say today, we're really trying to land and bridge from 4 into 5. Where we're really thinking about how do we take all those silos of information and really unify them behind a single sort of canonical representation and really expose it out for broader data science usage, digital products, as well as sort of just basic insights to help run our company better. And so that's really where we see ourselves in that 4 camp, really bridging and driving and pushing our company into level 5.
And then Laura? BJC.
Right. So at BJC, I'm going to say that we're at 3 bridging into 4, and I'm going to talk a little bit about why I think that is. So we were more of a holding company as opposed to an enterprise system, and so we were best of breed until about 5 years ago. So we had many applications all trying to be integrated together. I can't remember the number. At some point it was like 440 different just clinical apps trying to be integrated. So what we're doing is standardizing our operational systems, and some of those are in the cloud and some of them are on premise. And so that's been very helpful from a data perspective. And then in addition to that, we're doing master data management in a couple of different areas. Patient is one that we've been doing for a while, but we're also moving into the provider space. And our location, which has been really interesting. Me being a little bit of an optimist, I thought, location, how hard can that be? So that's where we are there. In terms of our warehousing, we still have a lot of warehouses, but they are trying to sort of crystallize around certain functions, and we are going to dabble next year with 2 of those going into the cloud. Oops.
Yeah.
We're going to have to lose that water. Maybe down there.
So I'm not sure I would put a number on one of ours. There's a couple of small pockets where I'd say we're a 5, and then there's some others where we're a 1, frankly. So where we would like to be, obviously, is much more. I don't know if we need to get all the way to 5 for all of our different data sets and for all of our lines of business, but moving to a 4, I think, would be the kind of sweet spot for us, so that we can, make sure that we have data available, because that's almost our most important intellectual property is our data and how we treat it, how we protect it, and how we share it with the right people.